Welcome to 403 Twin Eagles Drive. This neat 2-bedroom, 2 full bath patio home with a 2-car parking pad out front, fenced backyard area, as well as luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout inside. It's located in the Twin Eagles neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-20, as well as Fort Jackson, Spur at Northwoods Golf Course, and also Midlands Tech Northeast Campus. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice size 2-car wide parking pad as you approach the front entry of the home. And you step inside into a small foyer hall here off the front door. You notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout the space. You have a coat closet or an entry closet here off the front door. So you have some shelving on that side, and then you have some hanging space in front of that side. And there actually is a light in there so you can see a little better. And then right opposite that, we have our kitchen right off the entry. So it's a galley style kitchen. You have light cabinets and countertops, as well as included appliances. There's an electric range, refrigerator, and dishwasher on that side. You can see the sink there, and then you have a window here out towards the front. And then you pass through into the dining area, as you can see here, which is an open plan to the family room as well, where you have a ceiling fan and gas log fireplace on the left there, I do believe, as well as the back door going out here to the exterior space in the back. So out back you have an oversized patio, and you do have some green space out here as well. And as you can see, or maybe not see, but it backs up to sort of a wooded buffer, but on the other side of that, I believe is the golf course you mentioned. And then to the left here, you have an exterior storage room with some space for items in there, but that does have a lock on it. So nice outdoor space. And then as we go back in, see the living room and dining room from the other angle. So you have a primary bedroom suite here at the back of the property off of the living area. It's a nice sized room, has a ceiling fan and a window out towards the backyard. And then on the opposite side, you can see you have an ensuite bathroom, as well as the laundry room here. So you can see the laundry room is actually inside of the primary walk-in closet. You do have an attic pull down with some possible storage in there, but good hanging space in here, and then room for a stackable washer and dryer. And then you also have the, again, full bathroom. You have a single sink in here with a large counter and a walk-in shower and a cabinet against the wall. And then last, off of in the entry space, you have access to a bedroom and bathroom, as you can see here. So the bathroom is accessible from the hall, and it has a single vanity and shower and tub, another cabinet over the commode, but it's also accessible via adjoining door from the second bedroom, which is also perfect for a guest space or office, playroom, whatever you need to use that for. But you do have a closet, as you can see there in the corner, and then the door off the actual hall, but you can see the door going back into the bathroom there. So that completes our tour of this home, again, 403 Twin Eagles Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.